Yesterday I was speaking to a friend, and then I was just like, we were like, no man, this country is beautiful. Namibia is so beautiful. There's so much beautiful out here. Starting with the dunes, the ocean, like animals and so on. But today we are speaking about Swakopmund, Namibia. Swakopmund is beautiful because it's where the ocean meets the land, or where the land meets the sea. So the dunes and the ocean are meeting at some point, and this is so miraculously, guys. So it's very beautiful. So I'm thinking of making you guys a video, maybe tomorrow or the day after. It depends on how busy my day will be, but I'll make a video of the dunes so that you guys can see what Namibia really holds. The beauty in this country is unmatched. So today I went to the Atlantic Ocean, and then I sat there alone. It's just me and some birdies of the ocean, and then listening to the ocean, the water wave sound. So refreshing and so therapeutic. Like, I just feel like if you are living in towns like this, you need to appreciate the nature that is actually here, because most people that don't live in these towns, they pray to be waking up to this type of beauty. So yeah, I'm going to let you guys play the listen to the ocean sounds, and then I will also be talking to you guys later. Carabin. Like, this beauty is unmatched, guys. So this caught my eye. It's a nice greeny, like island like structure. So I got here, and there's a pipe that's pouring water out, and the water is streaming into the ocean. But I'm wondering, I was trying to observe, where is this pipe taking water from? But yeah, that's none of my business. I will still come back, and I want to know. I told you guys, I'm so observant. But yeah, this is so beautiful, so much beautiful. Continue watching. And then where the path is, where we take a walk alongside the ocean, you find these beautiful mansions, like beautiful houses, and it will be everybody's dream to actually live alongside the ocean. Look at that beautiful structured homes, and I think they sleep so well at night when you have to be put to sleep by the sound of the ocean, the whole relaxing sound. And here is a lot of shells. Believe me, this is not dirt. It's not like some polluting dirt. It's just like shells and that weeds from the ocean. Otherwise, that's it. continue watching and listening to the ocean, water sound or wave sound. I hope you like it, and do not forget to like and subscribe for more of this type of content. But I really love these. Look at the shells.